Hey there, welcome to Super Stock Bros. My name is Ace, and today we're going to be talking about the plays that you can make in this market. Stay tuned. Okay, so first up, let's go over our swing bullet. We did make a trade. I'm including all of our trades in now because I didn't want to be limited to just SPAC swings. But however, I am keeping the SPAC warrant tab open here. But this one tracks the portfolio a little more accurately. So, for example, I did an Etsy cash secured put today, and I'll show you that later on, but that netted us a good 20%. So this is actually quite well on our way for our goal here, and we're going to continue along that line. So right then and there, even in a super bull market, you can still make plays that'll net you 20%, so just keep that in mind. And I'll show you what I did in order for that to happen. Okay, now, before we go into possible plays here, I just wanted to go over the play that we made today, which was the Etsy cash secured put. Now, this one was a bit on the riskier side because I'm very, very bullish on Etsy, and I'm thinking that it's going to go way above the levels that we're at now, even with a reopening. You know, some people think that not many people shop online, but guess what? Etsy's play is so unique because people are selling, you know, unique trinkets and unique services and stuff like this, right? So Etsy won't really be affected by the recovery, and that's what I'm thinking. And I think that as soon as people see their profits still strong going into the future, that it's going to blast off even more. So I wish I got it at a lower price. I was hoping to get this on Monday, but I missed my shot. But I secured a at the money cash secured put at $200, and we actually netted, so I sold two of them, and so we netted $3,300 from that play. Now, like I said, this is risky because it's basically, it is at the money. So if Etsy were to fall below 200 on May 21st, then I would be at risk of assignment here. If you don't know what that basically means I have to buy 200 shares at $200. So I need to pony up 40,000. Or if you know the more advanced plays, I could roll that into the next month because, like I said, I believe in the future Etsy will definitely be above 200, so I can just keep rolling in and rolling in and rolling in until it actually happens, and then I will never be assigned. So that was the play that we made, and it netted us a cool 20% on the money that we currently have. So that includes our buying power, and we still get to keep our other play that we have, which is the Bridgetown and the IPOF. So if you use your buying power smart, you can actually make some additional cash on the side. So I advise you to look that up. Cash secured puts, do your research, ask your financial advisor what they are, as well as covered calls. So you can do that as well. Now you can also do other option spreads, you know, like the Iron Condor or the Butterfly or what have you, but those are more advanced. You can, you know, start off with the easier things and then you can progress into those if you want to play it like that. Now, moving on to some picks that we have. So I put 5 of them here. These are the 5 that I really like right now. I don't even have Etsy on here, but it really deserves to be on there as well. But I didn't want to flood you with all of the possible picks. So these are still picks that I really like because, you know, either they're somewhat overvalued from the previous high that we had, or they're just very, very strong plays in general. So you have Tesla, of course, no need to even talk about it. NIO is still down from its highs. It is being affected by the whole China sanctioning and stuff like this, and also because of the chip shortage. So that's something to watch out for, but that just means in the long run that it's going to not only survive but thrive, especially with China's implementation of their green plan. So by 2024 or 2025, they're going to be very, very huge. I'm actually putting a price target of 150 on here by 2024, so we'll see what happens. Airbnb, I really like. Not only is it tech and growth, it's also part of the recovery play. And you know, learning about their founders and how they're managing the business, I'm actually very impressed. Brian Chesky and the crew. So I'm still impressed with Airbnb. It's at a bit of a higher price than I like. I would have loved it at 160, for example. But 175, 190 range is okay. And you know what? You're not losing that much by getting in now, as opposed to, you know, you're going to be really sorry if it goes up to 220 and you miss the boat. So I definitely like it. And I put a pretty conservative target of 500 here. I actually think that they're eventually going to join the S&P 500. That's going to happen in the future, not anytime soon, but maybe like 2024, 2023. That would be huge for them, just like it was huge for Tesla. Microsoft, don't even need to talk about it. These guys are just everywhere, entrenched in the government, entrenched in private corporations, and they are the silent killer. They will rise 10-20% every single quarter if you let them, and they won't look back. And that's exactly what happened over the last 2 quarters. Everyone was focused on these other stocks, and they rose from 200 to 240, no problem. And then you have CrowdStrike. So this one is all about IT security, and you know, you need more of that in the world, that's for sure. And they've done a phenomenal job. Their earnings are incredible, and I really do think that it's going to be one of the bigger plays in the sector going forward, even after the recovery, right? People are thinking everyone's going back to the offices. No, for the most part, this is here to stick around. Now, for those that want a full list of picks, other than these top 5 that I have that are somewhat conservative, some people would say, I do have a full list here. I'll put it in the description below of 25 picks that, you know, I'm looking to dabble into, for example. Okay, so that's it for me today, Stock Bros. I'll keep monitoring all of these plays and let you know which ones are looking good suddenly, and if I have any more cash secured puts or option plays, I'll definitely let you know in the Discord chat, which you can join for free below. So until next time, let's make those gains.